Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I wanted to show you something so cute. It's like a baby cat. When I open my door, here, it just came out from the passage. Then it just came inside my house. I'll show you. It's a cute cat. I'll show you her. Where is the cat? Where's my baby cat? See, this is my cute little baby cat. She always come here. No, she's under this. She came shack. She came shack. Yeah. She just came in the shack. In the place where she is. So this place, the cat is so cute. And Poochie ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. See the baby cat? Poochie? Poochie? Wait, okay guys? Guys, the baby cat is here.